Hey everyone, welcome back to Dezola Designs, you guys. Today we are going to pick a winner for this fabulous, I keep staring at this green color. I really need to make a sweater with this green color. I love this color. Anyway, I'm going to pick a winner for this fabulous giveaway that I had. The colors in this giveaway are super, super beautiful. I love them a lot. I will get to this in one moment, but first I feel like I have a lot to talk about today. I'm one of those people, you guys, that I feel like I never do anything, and it's really weird and it's horrible. It's a horrible thing to have because I am physically and mentally especially exhausted and just like doing all this stuff, but never really, I guess, giving myself credit. So if you're one of those people, don't do that because it's exhausting. Anyway, this is a fabulous crochet tutorial I did. Hobbii sponsored this. Thank you so much to Hobbii. They might pick up the pattern. I don't know yet. I will know hopefully in the next coming weeks. But anyway, I did finish the crochet tutorial. It is available for my super awesome channel members. I will have the link right up here, you guys, if you were thinking about joining. Now is the time because all of my Hobbii patterns, all of my crochet tutorials that I'm doing through Hobbii, that Hobbii sponsored the yarn, will be available for my super awesome members and above. Why is it for super awesome members only and above? Because I signed a contract with Hobbii and I cannot sell any patterns that I make for them for free. So I did the next best thing so I can offer you guys. That is, I made it through my channel membership. So I think that that's kind of awesome because otherwise I could have just said, oh, well, it's not available. But I did that for you guys. The crochet tutorial is finished. It's very, very, very beginner friendly. If you can do single crochets, and I think these were triple crochets, then you can make this pattern. Again, if you want to check it out, I'll have the link at the end of this video too. And I'll also have all my links down below in the description box. So check it out, check it out, check it out. Thank you so much to all of my channel members, all of my new ones and old ones. You guys are awesome. Thanks so much for supporting me and my channel. So again, Festive Fans placemat, another thing that I am super proud of myself for. And I worked so hard on this. This is the Face Lace Table Runner, you guys. This is now available. This pattern that I made, I still can't believe it. I have to celebrate this weekend. This is available for purchase now. You can buy this pattern from Hobbii.com. It is on their website. It went live yesterday, and I'm so, so excited to bring that to you. Thank you so much to Hobbii for picking me up, for, I mean, just having faith in me. I just think it's so, so awesome, you guys. I worked really, really hard to get this to this point. So yes, this pattern is available to buy from Hobbii on Hobbii.com. I will have the link right up here for you guys to check it out. Again, I will also have the links down below in the description box. This is so beautiful. I had a huge party last weekend. I had it out on my table there. It did get some wine stains, but no worry. I haven't washed it yet, but it doesn't really matter. I'm so, so excited. Actually, my friend was freaking out when they did that, but no worries. It is cotton. It does wash out, and I'm super, super excited. So if you guys want to make this pattern in time for Halloween, this is a table runner. It does not have to be a table runner. It can be part of your Halloween costume. You can wear it as a wrap. You can wear it as a beautiful, like, headscarf kind of thing. You could wear it around your waist. However you want to wear it, it's super, super gorgeous, super beautiful. Again, the pattern will be down below in the description box. So I'm just so excited, and I'm also mentally drained. It's been a week, you guys, I'm telling you. I'm just gonna leave this right here so you guys can check that out. So yes, yeah, let's get to this giveaway. I'm just super excited. This giveaway was you pick big twist value yarn. Again, I need to make something with this color. I think it's so awesome. Actually, my next project through Hobbii is going to be a granny square blanket. And I am actually designing my own granny square right now. So on top of all of that, the mental drain from actually having to design a granny square is kind of, so anyway, I will get through it. I just need a lot of water and I think I need a nap. Anyway, this giveaway, big twist value giveaway, it was a you pick 4, I think, or maybe 5. I'm not 100% sure. We'll see when I pick a winner. Really quick about the big twist value, you guys, if you haven't used it, it's really, really good. It used to be a lot cheaper, but you still can get it through Joann for, I believe, like, when it goes on sale, it's $2.99. Sometimes, I don't know if I've seen it this year, they offer it at $2.50 for like a super doorbuster deal. But Black Friday is coming, so be on the lookout for that. Anyway, big twist, 380 yards of beauty. You guys, my head is all over the place right now. 5mm hook, 4 weight. This color is chocolate brown. I did have a lot of other gorgeous, beautiful colors that I had available to you in the original giveaway. Let me grab my iPad and we will pick a winner right now. Okay, everyone. So wait a minute. Oh, yeah. So for those of you who are new subscribers to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing, you guys. This was what YouTube looks like on my end. So I'm going to go to the link right here. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go to the random comment picker. I'm going to paste the link right here and then filter out those duplicate users, do some math. That is 15. And let's get those comments, you guys. I also want to tell you, of course, about my beautiful bracelets. Look at this combination. I was just looking at this. This is gorgeous. This is the amethyst clear quartz, and then I have the carved rose quartz, and then I have the dream amethyst 6mm. Gorgioso, you guys. I do make these. I custom make them to fit your wrists. If you guys, and these are real stones, if you guys would like to check them out, I will have my Etsy shop link right up above, you guys. Any little bit helps. Money is really tight right now, so I appreciate all of you. Okay, everyone, 279 comments. Let's pick a winner right now. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. And the winner of this giveaway is Peggy Downs. Congratulations, Peggy. You are the winner of this fabulous Big Twist Yarn giveaway. Please, please, please email me your mailing address. My email is down below in the comment section. Peggy has a great picture up. That's so awesome. You guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much to all of my subscribers for subscribing. Thank you so much to all of my channel members for being a member. And thank you so much to all the people who just randomly watch my videos, you guys. What a year it's been. And it's only just begun, you guys. So I really, really appreciate you all being here. Thank you so much. And just thank you so much for your support. I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous weekend. And we will talk to each other in the next video, you guys.